What's it like for you to sing in Yiddish, in this language, sort of approaching the language for the first time?
It was a really fascinating experience for me because I'm interested in languages, right? I studied literature and linguistics. And it's a fascinating language because it's a mixture, fantastic mix between, you see the German, yes, there's like mostly German influence, but some of the words come definitely from Polish, and they are just they have a suffix or a prefix characteristic for Yiddish, right? So you see this truskawkę or malinę, or suddenly you find a word which is like a kind of German style transcription of a Polish or a Russian word, right? Can't remember. There was one particular example which was really funny for me, and really fascinating concerning the mechanisms which created this language, right? So a very interesting experience linguistically. But it wasn't because it's got a lot of German words, but the pronunciation is not strictly German, right? It's easier for Polish people, I think, to speak Yiddish. Because it's got a certain softness from Russian, right, and from the Slavic languages as well, right? It's not kind of strictly kind of German thing.